Welcome to Taste of Culture, a culinary journey that transcends borders and flavors. At Taste of Culture, we are not just cooking, we are telling stories through every dish we create. Join us as we dive into the rich tapestry of global cuisines, from fragrant curries to savory street food, from traditional recipes to mouth-watering fusion creations. Our kitchen is your passport to the world, a place where cultures converge and flavors collide. Here, the culinary arts are a celebration of diversity and a journey of exploration. Whether you are a seasoned cook or a curious beginner, our step-by-step recipes and expert tips will empower you to bring the world's flavors to your own kitchen. So, buckle up and get ready to travel through the tantalizing taste of culture. Subscribe now and never miss a delicious adventure. Join our culinary community and let's go on a journey that's as mouth-watering as it is unforgettable. Taste of Culture, where every bite is a taste of something extraordinary.